Hello, I'm Danny Lockery and I'm ahead of the IT department here at Crush Skis. I will be talking today about implementing of customer relationship management. Our current process inefficiencies is since we're an online store only, we are inaccurately measuring the success of promotions. We need reports broken down by individual customers, products, and/or shipment. Need real-time information about what is going on in the market. Need real-time look at inventory and features customers are looking for in their skis. I am suggesting we utilize Salesforce. It is a cloud-based CRM. It keeps track of all communication with the customer. It sends targeted and personalized messaging, produces messages based on customer actions, uses data from multiple sources and devices, ability to manage every channel for one view, and merges email, social, phone, and chat support. How Salesforce will help Crush Skis is that it keeps track of customers' previous history, the status of customers' orders, easy collaboration across departments, gives sales and marketing a complete view of the customer interaction, helps identify and categorize leads, and increases cross-selling and upselling opportunities. Getting the customer information, we will be collecting basic information, website address, email address, phone number, and social media data. The client's personal preferences on communication, and it'll predict how customers will feel and act so the right outreach can be utilized. On the website, we'll have a questionnaire that is a list of 8 questions. It gets an idea of exactly what product is being sought out, and then customer service will reach out to further assist the buying process. Utilizing the client's data, we will be taking a look at the type of skis that are sold most, what demographic is buying the most, what time of year has the most sales, where the customers are located, and what resort they visit the most. I am also suggesting that we utilize Klaviyo. It syncs with Salesforce. It syncs customers' properties for each lead and attaches properties to the lead's profile. It has advanced email breakdown, customizes emails to different groups of clients, and sends reminders to potential clients nudging them to buy. I am also proposing that we use Help Scout. It helps manage emails, provides an email-based customer support platform. It's a knowledge-based tool with embedded contact search widget. It syncs with Salesforce to give the support team full context on each customer they're responding to and sorts conversation history into accounts, contacts, leads, and opportunities. For customer service, they will be gathering information about the client will pop up when they call or email in. It captures data on the natures of the calls and insights into the customer needs and behaviors. We will be measuring customer feedback by keeping track of what customers are saying online, skis are performing best and worst and why, and what channels are customers using the most. Thank you.